Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology for MHT CET step by step. First, thoroughly understand the MHT CET biology syllabus. Identify high-weightage topics and those you find challenging. Next, create a realistic study schedule, allocating specific time slots for each subject and topic. Consistency is key to building a strong foundation and ensuring steady progress throughout your preparation journey. Your primary resource should be the insert textbooks. Master them completely. Supplement your learning by creating diagrams, flowcharts, and mind maps for complex biological processes. These visual aids help simplify information and improve recall. Regular revision is crucial to solidify your understanding and ensure long-term retention of key concepts. Don't just read, actively engage with the material. Consistent practice with previous year's question papers is vital. This helps you understand the exam pattern and question types. Take mock tests regularly and thoroughly analyze your results to pinpoint weak areas. Focus on improving both your speed and accuracy, especially in time-sensitive sections. Learning from your mistakes is a powerful way to boost your overall performance. As you approach the exam, prioritize your well-being. Maintain a healthy lifestyle with proper sleep and a balanced diet to keep your mind sharp. Stay calm and confident. Believe in your preparation. Remember, a positive mindset can significantly impact your performance. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.